everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel today with Baby. So today I'm here again in Forest Camp because later I will go to the swimming with Maribel.
I don't have a swimsuit with me. I'm wearing dress. I'm not prepared.
It's okay because you're always busy, right?
Yes.
Yeah, she's very busy for a job, guys. So by the way,
Busy.
how are you today?
I'm good. I sleep a little bit, few hours from working last night, and then now we have here. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Yeah,
Taking our single.
I'm taken.
Wow,
Correct.
you're engaged already?
Yes. Okay, I'm engaged.
Wow, congrats. By the way, where you meet your boyfriend?
Christian Filipina. That's the online dating site that we meet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
guys. If you want to looking a girlfriend, you can join the Christian Filipina because Maribik, their dating site for find a
Yes, you can find
fiancé. Yes.
successful relationship there
Yes.
because yeah.
So, like how many year or a month before meet together?
Well, actually, it has been quite a few years
Mm-hmm.
before meeting because of the COVID
Mm-hmm.
and
Yes.
the travel restriction. They
Mm-hmm.
cannot travel here in
Mm-hmm.
Philippines, so we wait like 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
After 3 years
Okay.
since we talked, then he came here,
Mm-hmm.
met me. Yeah.
And then like how many months for staying in
Ah,
the Philippines?
stay.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's just a few weeks, like
Wow, so
3
fast.
weeks only.
So fast.
Yeah,
Oh.
it wasn't enough time for us to
Mm-hmm.
celebrate together
Mm-hmm.
or being together. It's kind of sad because we didn't get really have a lot of time.
Yeah.
But then he has a work, so
Oh, okay.
he has to go back and
Mm-hmm.
then yeah, it's still working. He's not retired
Oh.
yet, so
And
that's the
then how old
problem.
he?
He is 50 plus. I think 59.
59? Ah,
Yeah.
almost 60.
Yes,
Yeah.
almost. Yeah.
Okay. So, what is different, Filipino or foreigner? The attitude.
The attitude.
Mm-mm.
We do have the better attitude.
Mm-mm.
I cannot say because foreigner. I mean, we do have a lot of goods and bads. We have a
Mm-hmm.
size of good attitude and also. So I think it's the same.
The same.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will just say that it's the same because Filipino has a bad side to like negative attitudes and also has a good. But the same as well all humans. Yeah.
Yes. So, um, your boyfriend, do you have a plan for vacation again here in the Philippines?
No, he doesn't have money.
Work first.
Yeah, I mean, he has a lot of bills, he said, and
Mm-hmm.
then he's taking care of it, and then he is, yeah, he's trying, he can just vacation to his family. That's
Mm-hmm.
all that he can do. He cannot go back here because he said it's too much, and then the travel hours it's really long, and then the money he needs
Mm-hmm.
to have that.
Mm-hmm.
So he said he's not going to visit for a while. Yeah,
But he's always video call every day.
yeah, yeah. Video call, chats, something like that.
It's so
Yeah.
hard for LDR.
It's really, especially for me because I have that bad temper. Yeah, because I will not deny that I have that. I'm not patient like you. That's why I want to be. Uh, I want more patience. I want to get that patience from you know copy the patience of May because May has very patient person.
So are you jealous girl?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, before I say yes because I can sense if ever he is doing something.
Mm-mm.
There's that situation that
Mm-mm.
there's something happen. So that's where I came from. So after that experience, that's why I was like, oh my god, what is it doing? Something like that. So I get overthink. So maybe it was maybe you can say that, oh, you're very jealous, but I just overthink sometimes. Yeah.
But is jealous is a normal. Yes, it's a normal.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm not perfect, and that's why. So I can just say
But
that.
me,
Yeah.
sometimes if, for example, they have a girl come to my husband,
Mm,
like hold the hands, of course
yeah.
I'm jealous like that.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
not.
but if high, it's okay. It's okay
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
me, only high. But
Hi.
no
No
touching,
holding, no
no,
touching.
no,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, because they should. I mean, they should know the boundaries, right, or the
Mm-mm,
limitation, because
mm-mm,
that person is already as this
mm-mm,
wife or girlfriend,
mm-mm.
or you know, and also the guy. I mean, you have to like stay away from that, because it's emotional stress for us women.
Mm-mm.
Yes. To
Yes.
be honest, it's emotional stress because I don't want to emphasize though, but if ever if ever we encounter that situation, then we get overthink. Oh, maybe they already met or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So this is overthink. Yeah, hobby.
Yeah.
I
Hobbies.
mean, doing videos
Okay.
because I
Ah.
have that channel.
Mm-hmm. What
And
can your
thank you
vlog?
so much
You're
for helping
welcome.
me. Yeah, Mary Vic Delfino is the name of my channel. It's
Okay.
just my name. And May, when I was started, May really helps me. So thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. Because it's so long time, guys, for friendship to marry.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
like 2019.
So, your hobbies is you like sing, right? Because I watching your video, you love sing, karaoke sing.
Yeah, but only if there is like party
Mm-hmm.
or like birthday, something
Oh,
like that.
okay.
Yeah.
But you like traveling.
I do, but I don't have a lot of money.
Mm.
Yeah.
But I saw you with your picture. You've been traveling in Ireland.
That was a long time ago when I traveled
Mm.
Sikihor. Yeah, I traveled Sikihor last year, but that's only for like a day.
Siquijor and then Palawan. You been there, right?
Yeah, but Palawan, that was a long time ago. I worked there, so
Ah,
yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Palawan is very nice place, right?
yeah. It's like more on they're slowly civilized. I mean,
Oh,
the
okay.
city, though the city, there's like more buildings,
Mm-mm.
but it's just slowly civilized. So it's
Mm-mm.
like lots of like this
Mm-mm.
forests and no
Mm-mm.
roads, and there's few people. Yeah,
Oh, I
yeah,
see. But is safety there?
yeah. I think.
No,
I mean,
like.
yes. Uh, for my experience, yes.
Okay. So I will back with you for your boyfriend.
Okay.
Okay. If your boyfriend come back here in the Philippines for propose with you for marriage, after that the marriage, and then he bring you in the US, are you come to the US for living in the US?
Actually, that's what we're doing. And then, to be honest, I have okay, you were putting this on YouTube. I mean, I have a really hard time thinking about that
Mm-hmm.
because, leaving my mom, leaving my family here, and I don't know about this place there,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know, maybe it's like a present because I don't know how to drive, right? And then it will be like a lot of adjustments. I was
Yes.
thinking, should I go there or should I not? So I was thinking maybe I should go because this is an opportunity and to be with him.
Mm-mm.
So maybe I should. Yeah.
I think only vacation.
Huh.
I think only vacation.
Our vacation, yeah.
Yes, because especially you're the youngest to all your family, right?
Mm-mm,
And then you're
yes.
like your breadwinner.
Yeah, it sounds yeah, I am.
Yes.
So it's really kind of dilemma. Yeah, you think this which is which, but yeah, I was thinking of just my mom because I will leave my mom. She's getting old, so that's
Mhm.
what I'm thinking about. Yeah, that's
But how old your mom?
she is 75.
Oh,
She is
but it's
75.
still strong, no? I see the in the
Yeah.
picture or video. And in Maribik, where she go for travel, Maribik always bring, right? She
Yes.
love all. She love. You very much you love to your mom.
Yeah, I
Yes.
will. I'm just on, because she didn't really experience traveling before.
Oh, good.
Yeah, she just in a mountain taking care
Mm-mm.
of us when we
Mm-mm.
were young, and then didn't even have a chance to travel because she always say they don't
Mm-mm.
have money. I mean, we
Mm-mm.
don't have money. So
Mm-mm.
right now, when I have some,
Mm-mm.
when we can go somewhere, then I will always go
Wow,
and
you
then
good
let her
daughter.
experience.
Yes, you good daughter because you're
Thank
thinking your
you.
mom, you bring to the adventure for she's getting happy. Yes.
Yeah, I mean, I am really thinking about giving back to my mom because
Mm.
I didn't get a chance to um do that to my father before she
Oh,
left. So
okay.
that's what I really, I get emotional
Huh?
thinking about that when I didn't get a chance to do it to my father because
Mm-mm.
I'm not able. I was just so young and started
Mm-mm.
to work, and then that's
Okay.
yeah.
The last question, what is your favorite food?
Food,
Mm.
there's a lot. I mean, okay, but I like the baby back ribs, the
Oh, okay.
lechon
Yeah, the lechon is very, oh my God, it's
the
very yummy.
party.
Yes. So guys, that is my beauty for interview to my longtime friend Marvic.
Thank
Before the
you.
end, you can promote again your channel.
Yes, guys, please do check out my channel and subscribe. Marivic Delfino. Thank you so much, guys.
See you next video. Bye bye.
Bye.